So if we have a situation like this where a car just doesn't want to let us pass, then we're just going to let them go. We're not going to fight. We're not going to fight. We're just going to hang back, let them go. You're either going to go or you're not, lady. What are you doing? Okay. So we're just going to take it. And so here is what we talked about before, which is the alley, which is when you have a long row of cars. These cars are not moving as slow, so they're slightly more predictable. And one thing I really want to mention is when you're lane splitting, there's one really key important factor to consider, thank you, when you're splitting. The safest place to split is between cars that are side by side, okay? When cars are staggered, there's a chance they'll change lanes. If you keep that in mind and you time your splits when cars are side by side, you're going to be going a lot faster. You see how, like, right there, I kind of rode that truck along because I want to have the protection of the truck as it's passing other cars. In the event I have to split between cars. In, like before we've talked about, move to open space. Rule number 3, space is safety. But here, when cars are side by side, I know that they're not going to be trying to get in front of each other, which makes the split a lot safer for me. So those are just little things to consider when you are splitting lanes in California or wherever it's legal, or if you're just doing your own thing. I'm not going to tell you what you can and cannot do, but I'm going to say I do it legally here. Alright, so here we have a long row of slow moving cars. When cars are moving this slow and we're lane splitting, I really don't use my mirrors, right? Because 1, I just need to keep my eyes forward. 2, I don't need to see what's behind me. And 3, and probably most importantly, I'm not trying to hit other people's mirrors, right? And so by tucking my mirrors, I eliminate the chance that if I get close to another car that my mirror is going to hit their mirror, then there's an issue, right? So tucking your mirrors is a safety precaution that protects both me and the other drivers. Plus, I don't need to see anything behind me, especially when I'm driving between cars that are going this slow. I'm not really worried about anything behind me. Okay, so here, as always, when lane splitting, always focus on trying to do it while cars are side by side, because that's the time that they're least likely to change lanes. If you are in a situation where, like, one lane is moving, try to ride alongside the car that's moving only for as long as necessary. But you want to ride alongside that car, normally on the back quarter panel, so that way cars that may want to jump in front of it would see it before they see you. And because a car is bigger than a motorcycle, they're less likely to make that lane change so quickly.